In today's video, I'm going to teach you simple, easy 3D text effect in Canva. This is a quick, beginner-friendly way to give your text depth and a subtle sense of realism using only tools built right into Canva. Open your design and make sure you've got the text you want to enhance visible on the canvas. This works for headlines, subheads, and even short phrases in logos or social posts. Start by clicking to select the text you want to edit. With it selected, head over to the Effects panel. From the list of styles, choose Outline. This effect adds a border around each letter. Increase the thickness so the outline is clearly visible, not just a hairline. And pick a darker color for the outline. A deep gray, charcoal, or black works nicely because it reads like a shadow. The goal is to create contrast without overpowering the fill color of your text. If your background is dark, consider using a slightly lighter dark tone so the outline still stands out. Now, duplicate the text so you have two identical layers sitting on top of each other. You can duplicate using the duplicate option or a simple copy and paste. Keep the duplicate perfectly aligned with the original for now. Canva's smart guides should help you snap them together. Zoom in a bit if you want extra precision. With the copy selected, gently nudge it to create the 3D effect. A small move, usually a few pixels right and a few pixels down, creates a convincing sense of depth, as if light is hitting from the top left. Use your arrow keys for subtle, controlled nudges. Keep the movement modest. Too much offset can make the text look detached rather than dimensional. If your design would look better with light coming from another direction, nudge the duplicate accordingly. Up left, up right, or down left all work, as long as you stay consistent. Finally, adjust to your liking. If the shadow feels too bold, reduce the outline thickness or pull the duplicate a bit closer to the original. If it's too faint, increase the thickness or add a tiny bit more offset. Check the contrast against your background so the main text remains easy to read at a glance. You can also tweak the outline color within a dark range to match your design's palette and keep the effect cohesive. And that's it. You selected your text, applied the outline effect with a darker color, duplicated it, nudged the copy slightly, and fine-tuned the spacing and thickness for a clean, simple 3D look.